Hi, Tim here from Stow Hill Estates, Berkshire. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to share our take on recent events in the world of finance. So, as most of you will likely be aware, last week the Bank of England increased the base rate by a somewhat significant 0.5%, taking the current bank rate to a 15-year high of 5%, all in an attempt to counteract the ongoing high levels of inflation that we're experiencing. The knock-on impact for home buyers is that lending has once again become more expensive. Variable rate products such as trackers obviously felt this immediately, but even fixed rate deals weren't immune. Some of the uncertainty in the lead up to this announcement motivated banks and building societies to pull nearly 400 deals from the market in June, with some temporarily withdrawing their entire ranges. The prevailing opinion still seems to be that rates will come back down in the near term, with lenders offering better rates on 5-year fixes than on 2 in many cases. But for anyone needing a mortgage for part of their purchase right now, there are obvious implications. Some may choose to change their plans entirely and put their search on hold. Largely, this will be those who want to move but don't need to move. The latter of those two groups will still be motivated to get on with their purchase, but they may have to think differently about their search. Others won't be able to borrow as much as they perhaps planned and will consequently change the price bracket for their search. First-time buyers, who typically have less equity and higher loan-to-value ratios, may find themselves temporarily stuck, staying in rental or at home with parents. And the knock-on impact of that for those higher up the chain will likely be that things move more slowly as those below them find affordable offers harder to come by. That said, around half of the homeowners in the UK don't have a mortgage, so there is a much larger pool of mortgage-free buyers than most people think. The top end of the market typically deals with a higher number of cash buyers who don't require lending, so it's somewhat insulated and is likely to be the case that things will continue to tick over there as before, relatively unscathed. In fact, we've seen 2 cash buyers make offers on properties at £3 million in the last couple of weeks alone. So if you're looking to secure a new mortgage, the best thing you can do right now is speak with a mortgage broker who can help you to find the best deals out there. And we have some great relationships with companies like Home Me Mortgages if anyone needs suggestions, and we'll tag them in the video. So what does this all mean if you're either selling or thinking of selling? Well, if you're on the market right now, hold your nerve. Be patient and make sure that everything in your sale is as optimized as possible to achieve the best possible price and the highest number of viewings. But patience is key, especially if your property is in that bracket where your potential buyers will be arranging lending. Of course, you can consider a new pricing strategy if time is your biggest factor, but that won't be right for everyone, and it shouldn't be approached without serious consideration, and take advice from a property marketing expert. If you are thinking about selling, you're now going to be appealing to the need to move group the most, so things will get more competitive. So if you're going to the market, make sure your collateral is premium. Excellent pictures, a well-presented property, video content, social media, fantastic copy, a high-end brochure, all those things will play a bigger part than ever before in terms of helping you stand out to serious buyers. And all of this collectively forms your marketing strategy, which when combined with your price, becomes your sales strategy. Getting that right at this point in time could make all the difference for you. So if we can help with any of this and advise on what more could be done with your current listing or how to approach a potential future listing, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks very much.